Hello, I'm in my room in Sabaydee Guest House, which is in Huay Xai, Laos? Lao. Oh God, I can't say anything. It's in Laos. It's the town where you catch the slow boat to go to Luang Prabang. So I'm staying here one night and getting the boat tomorrow. This is an air-conditioned double room with an ensuite. It was 20,000 kip, no, 200,000 kip, which is about $10 US. I think that sounds right. So this is from the door. We have a fan up there, a really big bed, maybe the biggest I've seen in Asia so far. We have a ceiling fan and an air conditioner, which I need to turn on actually. There's a small desk over there, a little table with a TV, you can see there. And there is, looks like soap, a mug, 2 little water bottles. Okay, and then it has an ensuite bathroom, which is pretty big actually. And so here's the toilet and the shower head. So it is a wet bath, but you can kind of see there's like a divot here, so hopefully the rest of the bathroom won't get too wet. I am about to take a shower because walking here from the slow boat pier was so hot. I am dripping with sweat, which is not fun. Here's the sink. Here's some little hooks right there.